This is the Apple AirTag, a small little GPS tracker made by Apple to make sure you never lose your keys again. You can see here Apple's original design, with the white box and the black text in the middle. The box is actually very well designed. It opens in 3 compartments, giving you the instructions of how to set it up, and it brings the AirTag in the middle. The AirTag itself comes with a protective plastic wrapper that has different purposes. The first is to make sure that it doesn't get scratched and damaged. But the second, as you can see here, is to stop the actual battery from working while it's in the box. This secures that the battery is still brand new when you open it. All you have to do is pull it out and it starts working. Setting it up is very simple. Just put the AirTag close to your phone and it will connect automatically. As you can see, it's not only made for keys. You can use it for whatever you want. But we will use it for our keys for the moment. And that's it. This is the Apple AirTag. We also got ourselves a keychain to put it in, and it comes in various different colors and materials. You can get everything in this video with the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and remember to follow.